Privilege to introduce Swami Atma Shraddhanand Ji Maharaj. Swami Atma Shraddhanand has been the supporting pillar and guiding light of VSC for the last 11 years. He is currently the editor of Vedant Kesari, a cultural and spiritual monthly, which is in its 101st year of publication. He has authored and edited many books which include Bhagavad Gita for students, Upanishads for students, Universal Prayers for the youth, and others. He has addressed various gatherings and mentored people from various walks of life across the country. Therefore, I request Swamiji to deliver the welcome address.
Dear friends, as part of the National Youth Day celebrations, every year we have a talk by some eminent person. So this year we thought we shall have somebody from an area or from a field which is quite new to many of us here, and that's how we have Dr. Vikram Singh with us. We are very happy that he has accepted our invitation and he has come all the way from Delhi. And we are very happy also that our Professor Prabhu Rajgopal, who also was one of the VSC members when he was a student, he is with us. Those of you who are not aware of it, you must refer to this point that it was almost 30 years back that the government of India decided to make the birthday of Swami Vivekananda as the National Youth Day. And while passing a kind of a circular, the then Prime Minister of India had said that there cannot be any better youth icon than Swami Vivekananda. So we have Swamiji as a youth icon for scores and millions of people, especially the youth all over the world. See, youth especially need someone who can answer the questions or who can meet their expectations in the way they want it. And Swamiji stands as something very youthful before them, even his figure. In the very way that you look at him, he is so young. As one of the Western writer had written about Swamiji, that he was a youth with an eternal wisdom. So, youth with an eternal wisdom. So just 39 and a half years he lived, and in those 39 and a half years, Swamiji gave us which he said would last for 1500 years, which means the depth and the intensity of his thinking and the vastness of his ideas and its relevance. Just a few days back, in fact 3 days back, we had a workshop. We had around 30 students from IIT who attended that workshop on Swamiji's ideas and ideals about leadership and how an enlightened leader can be made out of his teachings. Like that, you have various aspects of Swamiji which appeal to the youth. His strength, his wisdom, his courage, his truthfulness, and his power of concentration and power of conviction. All that and many more qualities of Swamiji keep inspiring the youth all over. So we have study circles in name of Swamiji all over India, even beyond. There are study circles also in Kharagpur, in Kanpur IITs. And besides this, there are private people, groups, they are reading about Swamiji. Why? Because Swamiji's teachings have that eternal relevance. So on this day of National Youth Day celebrations, I once again welcome you all and extend a very hearty, cordial welcome to Vikram Singh Ji and to Prabhu Rajgopal. Thank you.